Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. Today I'm going to give you 30 gift ideas for this Mother's Day. I'll be giving you timestamps so that you can just skip to that part of the video that you'd like to see. So these are the practical ideas that you can give to your mother, the mother of your children, grandma, or anyone who's a mother figure in your life. And I'm pretty sure they would really appreciate these gifts that I will mention. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored and everything that I'm going to mention in this video are my personal opinion. First and foremost, if you are always too busy, then you can spend time with her this Mother's Day. Or number two, if you're always up to her skin, then maybe you can just give her me time. Number three, I'm not really sure if this would be possible, but if you can, just let her sleep in. Number four, cook breakfast for her or make her dinner. But if you can't clean after that mess, then might as well just order takeout. Number five, write her a letter or a poem if you're into that. Based on experience, moms always take pictures of their husbands with the children, of the grandparents with the children, but it's very rare to have pictures of themselves with their kids. Number six, organize a family photo. So if you can't hire a photographer, get a tripod, get your phone or camera, and then just set the timer. Set up a spot in your house wherein you could have a picture taken. Also, prepare the clothes of your kids ahead of time so that you can have this nice family photo and your wife doesn't have to think about it. If you cannot organize a family photo, then whenever your wife would have these moments with your children, just try to snap a photo or a candid shot of your wife taking care of your kids, because I'm pretty sure she would really appreciate that. Number seven, organize or clean a spot in your house. If the refrigerator has been bugging her for so long, then clean the refrigerator. If the living room is so messy, then tidy up the living room. I'm pretty sure your mom or your spouse would definitely appreciate this gesture this Mother's Day. Number eight, you can also set up a picnic in your backyard. P.S. Make sure you clean after the mess as well. Mothers would only want to enjoy a hot cup of coffee in the morning. So why not get her a smart mug? This is available on Amazon. It's called the Ember Smart Mug. Basically what it does is it keeps the coffee hot so she doesn't have to drink any lukewarm coffee again. I checked up online, it's $99 on Amazon. If $99 is too much for the pocket, then there's another option, which is the VOBAGA coffee mug warmer. The concept is pretty much the same, but it's only $23. Number 10 is a quintessential best mom item. It can also be this best mom mug, which she would really appreciate. Number 11 is a time for herself, either in the massage parlor or a facial. So why not treat your mom or your spouse for a massage? What I love the most are the massages in Glen Ivy. She can have a 50-minute massage together with a lunch, and I think that's about $190. One of my favorite facial spots is the O-Skin Med Spa, so I think one of their facials would cost about $150, and the facial would last about 80 minutes. This would definitely relax her. Before we continue on, if you gain any value out of this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Number 12, flowers. You can go for a bouquet or a vase. You can buy them in Target too. If she's not into flowers, you can also give succulents. Number 14 is a care basket. So care baskets can go from coffee theme, spa theme, cheese board theme, beauty box theme, you name it. If she's into accessories, you can also give this Oradina gold hoops earring. It's only $50 and it's actual solid gold. Next is more of a self-care category. Number 16 is a bottle of wine. Duh! Number 17 is a bathtub tray caddy where she can enjoy that glass of wine. Number 18, you can also look on Bath & Body Works for different sets of soaps or body salts. Moms usually have dry hands. I mean, for me, I do have dry hands because of all the cleaning, so why not give her some hand cream? Number 20 is a perfume set. You can find this in Sephora from Jo Malone, Hermes, Chanel, or other cheaper brands. There is Marc Jacobs, I think. I'm just going to link the different sets of perfume at the description bar. However, some people can be very picky with perfumes, so make sure that you know her taste, whether she wants something floral, sweet, or strong. Number 21 is a PMD facial silicone. I've been using this product for months now. It deep cleans up to the very pores of my face. I feel that all the dirt has been removed from the makeup, the oils, the sunscreen, everything. I feel like most of the negativity that has touched my face has been removed by this PMD cleanser. That's how good it is. I forgot to mention this, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. Number 22 is silk pajamas, or any silk products that she would like. Personally, I love the one from Lily Silk. I've already bought their pillowcases, but you can also opt for other products too. Number 23 is a fleece bathrobe. And while she's wearing her fleece bathrobe, she can also enjoy a box of chocolates. If she's not into chocolates, you can also give her this edible flower arrangement, which is made out of fruits. My personal favorite is from Edible Arrangement. I've received and also given someone from this website, and I really love their fruits covered in chocolate. They have options there under $30, under $50, so it's up to you according to your budget. Next category is if your mom or your spouse or your grandma or whoever loves sports or would like a category under fitness. Number 25 is a little bit pricey, and those are Airpods. So when she's working out or she's doing a lot of household chores or cooking, definitely she would use Airpods to listen to music, a podcast, or a YouTube video just like this. Fitbits can be very expensive. So number 26 is a Fitbit-inspired fitness tracker, which can track the steps, the sleeping, the heart rates, and all of that jazz, especially if your mom or your spouse would like to get back on track. Number 27 is a very budget-friendly $9 worth of fitness bands. I've personally used these fitness bands before when I was into fitness. I can tell you, these are really good quality. They don't break. What I love is that every band has different intensities. If she's into cooking, then this last category is for her. Number 28 is this apron. What I love about this is the message itself. It says Mom's Kitchen, because whose kitchen is it? It's Mom's, right? That's why I just bought this myself. Number 29 is this Mama Bear Kusi's weekly meal planner. So don't get me wrong, this is not a recipe book. This is a weekly meal planner. So it's blank pages. She can write the different groceries, meals for the week. Basically, it's a planner for meals. And last but not the least is a $99 splurge, which is an indoor herb garden. This is a hydroponics growing system with LED grow light, and it's a smart garden planter. So if she's into cooking and using different kinds of herbs, then this will be a perfect gift for her. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you gained so much insight into this video, what moms actually want this Mother's Day. Make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are into these kinds of content, and make sure you also click the word all as you click the bell notification so you know that I upload every Tuesday 9 a.m. PST. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!